Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss about module number 2, that is overcurrent protection. Here we are discussing about that combined earth fault and phase fault protection and phase fault protective scheme. So let us discuss about that combined earth fault and phase fault protection. So the below figure 5.18 shows a 2 overcurrent and 1 earth fault relay. So when an earth fault occurs, the burden on the active current transformer is that of an overcurrent relay, that is phase fault relay, and earth fault relay, which is in series. Thus, the current transformer burden becomes high and may cause saturation. So, in this figure, if you see that there are 3 current transformers which are employed individually for 3 phases with respect to A, B, and C. Among these 3 phases of A, B, C, phase C and phase A consists of 2 overcurrent relays, and phase A is connected to the neutral wire, which is commonly connected between another phase and to the neutral, that is one more relay which is called as earth fault relay. So the phase fault protective scheme shows 3 overcurrent relays for the protection of 3-phase system. This scheme is mainly for protection of the system against phase faults, because each and every phase we are employing that one current transformer, and there is no separate scheme for earth fault protection. The overcurrent relays used in this scheme will also sense earth faults, but they will be less sensitivity, because it is less sensitive to currents, because compared to phase fault currents and earth fault currents, phase fault current is more than that of earth fault current. So earth fault currents are less, so it is less for earth faults because overcurrent relays used in this scheme. And here we are going to look at the 3 overcurrent relays which are connected individually for 3 phases with respect to A, B, and C. So in case of phase fault protective scheme, the 3 overcurrent relays which are used for protection of 3-phase system, this scheme is mainly for the operation of the system against phase faults. So against phase faults means like LG fault, double LG fault, and double L fault, double L line fault, double L fault, and triple L fault. If there is no separate scheme for earth fault protection, the overcurrent relays is used in this scheme will also sense earth faults, but they will be less sensitivity. Why it is less sensitivity? Because phase fault current is very high, so that's why it is very less sensitivity. And here we can look at that the 3 phases individually, A, B, C. For 3 phases there are 3 current transformers which are employed at here, like CT1, CT2, CT3 at phase A, phase B, and phase C. With respect to each phase, one more relay is connected in series with the current transformer as to isolate that faulty section of the system and to the healthy section of the system, particularly in that phase. The magnitude of the earth fault current depends on the fault impedance. In case of an earth fault, the fault impedance depends upon the system parameter and also type of neutral earthing. For example, in case of neutral wire, the neutral wire having a phase sequence of 0, then earth fault current is not sensing any fault currents. For suppose in case of neutral wire there is no 0 phase sequence and there is a phase sequence, means definitely it is a fault, and we can conclude that it's a fault because of neutral wire. So it is like a short circuit fault where the current is very high. That's why here again we are using that one overcurrent relay which sense that currents and isolates that faulty section of the system and healthy section of the system. The magnitude of earth fault current depends on the fault impedance. In case of earth fault, the fault impedance depends upon system parameter and also type of the neutral earthing. The neutral may be solidly grounded through resistance or reactance. If grounded through resistance and reactance, then definitely the current which is flowing through that neutral wire is less. And also that the fault impedance for earth faults is much higher than that of the phase faults, because the fault impedance for earth faults is high because it is connected in series again with that grounded wire, where that ground resistance is also adding along with this fault impedance for earth fault. So that's why it is very higher. Hence the earth fault current is low. If earth fault current is low compared to phase fault currents, an earth fault relay is set independent of load current. So if earth fault relay is set independent of the load current, means then the earth fault having some amount of resistance or reactance of the earth, where the magnitude of the current which is flowing through that earth wire is less. If we are using that overcurrent relay, the current sensed by that overcurrent relay is also less compared to the phase fault, because in case of phase fault the current is very high which is flowing through that same neutral wire. By that time the overcurrent relay which sends that high amount of currents. Therefore an earth fault relay is set independent of the load current and its setting is below normal load current. When an earth fault relay is set at lower values, its ohmic impedance is high, resulting in a high current transformer burden. And the figure 5.17b and 5.17c, which shows that earth fault relay and overcurrent relay. In case of an earth fault relay, which is used for production of transformers and alternators respectively, and also that an earth fault occurs when zero sequence current flows through the neutral wire. If it is a zero sequence current which flows the neutral wire, the system is balanced condition and there is no any fault. If it actuates that earth fault relay, shows that connection of an earth fault relay using a special type of current transformer known as core balanced current transformer, which encircles that three-phase conductors. If it encircles that three-phase conductors, it is easy to identify the currents, how much it is flowing through that relay, and the relay is isolates that faulty section of the system and healthy section of the system. So if you look at, or if you compare that the two circuit diagrams, one is two overcurrent relays and one earth fault relay. The two overcurrent relays sense that phase fault current and one earth fault relay sense that earth fault current. So in these two relays having that high amount of current compared to that one earth fault relay. So and also it is very simple in construction and easily we can analyze the fault currents through phase fault protective scheme. In case of phase fault protective scheme, the fault currents are more compared to that earth fault protective scheme. Thank you.